Hey you guys, welcome. I hope that y'all are having a great week so far. Today we are going to be making a lemon loaf. It's a copycat recipe from Starbucks, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you're going to want to start with 3 eggs, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup sour cream. You're going to mix that until it's well combined. Then you're going to add in a half a cup of vegetable oil, of course mixed until it's well combined, and then 2 tablespoons of your lemon extract. You're going to want to mix till it's combined, and then you're going to want to add in 1.5 cup all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And you're going to mix until it's well combined. And bake at 350 degrees for 50 minutes or until you are able to insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. So once your lemon loaf is totally cooled, you're going to want to make the lemon glaze. So you will combine 1 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you're going to want to mix that up until it's totally combined and, you know, and runny, I guess. I don't really know how to describe that. So once your lemon loaf is totally cooled and you've got your lemon glaze made, you're going to want to drizzle that over your lemon loaf. Let it set for about 15 minutes before you decide to slice into it. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider, just hit the red button. Just hit the red subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Alright, y'all have a great week. Bye.